Nebarazana mutegeri wa Meru TV orengi tuchokera kiri gicunji gitu kya kurikiri mubango wa Meru TV rukiri wari nkwirire twina mantu kathumba na nkureterete ageni kathumba mugeni uko bele ne aratukomba kwitha tukiariria kana kutonya uturo ne bo mwandiki o mauku na tukendera tukiaile muku yawe ya moya rombe tukwithira akiandika nontu ni generation wenye tunasema Gen Z kumenya kithira ari Gen Z kana ni atatwambia. Karibu sana mutegeri wa Meru TV nko wategeni orengi nkirigaira wina kaita gakenya no kawithite na mbere na kumba kwithira witu thiatira na wotu thiatire ki mitandao yo kinyani ngo chokire nkatho muno kirutero Facebook na kinya kirutererwa YouTube. Asante sana na nyoto thiatire ogulukira a Signet Meru TV na kinya pang a Meru TV twakwira asante zaidi. Happy new month. Etwe mweri yo mweru yua 10 rwari ntukuni ya mbere mweri yua 10. Karibu sana ukiakwithira kwina mantu tombere kwithira ukibwithia mweri othira yua 9 obando wina kaita ka kuyabwithia no kethira kwina iroto wandikite bya ukinyaniria mwaka ya 2025 twe mweri yua 10 wina yua 10 ayo mwena yua 10 na ile akumba kwithira ukiona kethira to bira wa mweri yua 10 entiko mya mweri yua 10 yomba kwithira yukiambiria atanya kwa yuambiriria mpio lakini yote 9 la 10 lazima tusukume gurudumu no mwankama ntiyonde yomba kwithira yagita oburaya batiri kumba kwithira yagita. Karibu sana na mugeni ndani ya studio na drum roll 3 2 1 yeah. Karibu sana.
Aiboeka muno iboeka.
Kede mutegeri wa Meru TV mwirero tore yaku akirene tukiambiri kuringa story twari tukimenyana kabisa.
Nkethi nyingi muno ki mutegeri wa Meru TV mbita wa Mureithi Gitonga kana Mureithi G Murani. Yes, na nkugwirwa muno kwithirwa ndiaja narua.
Karibu sana. Na adietwa Murani baraba thikirite kwina mtu akuona ya nickname. No ntunarora kwetumbimite tiania riitwa Murani kuma kiritwa Mura. Birikithira no kumenya gikimiru kariitwa Murani.
Ngwitikia nkauga ate
na ara kwetu tiania Amurani indake ntamburuku goya ndake kimiru niyo etawo. Karibu sana. Na nende ntikona tuteita muno no ntikona ndeka chetu chikwamba witanga ndenda tumenye Mureithi Nji Murani no wengwa ina achiriri ina umete na inyarira Mureithi Nji Murani yakura akithoma akura enda kwambi.
Na ndi Mureithi achiriri Mutindwa Jokangangi njai na ndi gwetu gweni gatigati ka Kambakia Kitoro na Rwanyambo. Kwina hospitali itawa Consolata Hospital au Nandi au Nionja. Ndakurira au skuru ndathoma skuru ingana nya.
Kwa ari bad boy
ari nasari
okay
skuru ndathoma Willis Academy rutere rwa Kambakia ndeu. From there ndauma undeta Gitoro Primary School ndathoma from class 1 to class 8. Kuma undeta Kibiricha Boys ndathoma from 1 to from 4. Kuma undeta Chuka University.
Oh ai Ile ngo gwata skuru inyamenya agwena mtu nyake thire class kuma class 1 moka class 8 era thome kinya chindo chukuru ije gomi
ima ko njai Meru unde mu Meru from municipality North Imenti. Yes.
Thank you, very nice. Ukuthoma ore thoma we mwana munini watima na mtu akurie Mureithi wenda kuambia mwiro wenda kuambia turoni
oni ndenda kwa pilots
aya
na ndi mwana munini ndendete muno mantu ja ndege aenda uga ndera mathi nkamwira gwe uninka pilot kenda ngakuruka ira anja iguru na ndege ngakugwithiria mbecha
nya akinyato kunya wana no ethire kwe kandre kara wa mta karatachi yo
mono
kaitage
tunge twagita na tunyamura twa mabua ja pempe tugatinda ainde ndete mantu ja pilot mono ndauga ndenda kwa pilot ndeta na pilot munkanda abiria class 8 ai max ile nacho ndonere chia KCPE ntari contented ntanganirwe mono na itwaria na mzee ndamwira uni na ndenda guchokera school so tweta the same school na ndi twarikania na mwarimu na kwana ndi mandi ndi port school mandi ai ndokira ndaiware tichokete primary ndamwira iu ndona go icho chiako ambite ampendele nacho so from there ndeta Kibiricha Boys.
Yes.
Career nayo na ndi dream we change ndawana ndienda kuwa lawyer and law yedro na ndi my focus is law mau monka the whole of high school twalije KCSE cluster point ile chia kwa sponsor di government kuita kudhibia law chaura so na ndi unio ndetere ku apply kwenda ndi ndendete legal courses mono
Sure.
ndetana ndi ndona ndino tonte kwa mte ku qualify kudhibia law tia mbone legal courses nyanire ko ingeche yao so ndigutonya ki website rio ndetere ndona kuna nya legal course ngegwetwa criminology na nkona cluster point cha kwa kwei
Chikugwira au.
nika apply eu ndetwa school eu ndeterwe chuka ndarithia criminology.
Now mbere kinyeto amberia kirege kitumite wijau kiege wandike boma huku criminology ndili nambe
criminology ina branches idato branch embere itawa corrections na ndini antu baba kurekebisha kuna nchera uchetwana
yes
itawa youth correctional centers na kuina na ndichi ya ntubane ni so na ndiku baba decide go specialize na corrections iku rehabilitate yantu ku make sure that na ndi utije nyamoto ikurekebisha na haki na ndi corrections barabara specialize na marekebisho then kuna branch ingita wa forensics forensics na yoni barabara ya investigation mono barabara na ndiba ukabedira NIS DCI baba ndiba intelligence so na ndiba bamenya ruju kwamba kuzura kuina attack ikedra yumitende na nde badila na nga satellite anga kumenya whether intelligence kenda for security purposes
yes
na bado nya gukendwa kuina kesi under investigation ibona ndi ugebeta nya lab na fingerprints na body na kila kitu kwamba kudura nuko menya what transpired bona ndiba forensic. The third one is security na ndi baraba specialize na ukaria andiwa igwa G4S pelt na ukariana ndiko nenyamo nka into ja access control ijana ndiko naomba gwitanya bank kwe umirango ibati kwithro edithetwe kwe ukwe na ondirisha ibati kwithro ikari
yes
kwe boba tumaira biometrics ke kugitonya ke kana kadi kwe manto je ujombe CCTV interview beyond na ndibya security na ndiwicho branches idato chia criminology.
Wow, ekuma ke kwenda kwa mwite dionde pilot ato yaki kwenda kwa lawyer eto yanende twaruka ke criminology wait bweta watia
batu tutawa criminologist
no ntunende nyam muntu agweta criminal imakosa ondende we criminologist nende kwetwa criminologist sawa ukwambira kugwitha koze criminology na ugutwika criminologist and now away from that etu na we arenge no ambere kwandika mauku ni bibia shift kuma nende ki mantu ja criminologist we yotrima no ambere kwandika mauku yako
na inu je criminology ile career ya mdomerete
yes ende
nandi kuandika i talent kana ikipawa ke unpendete kuandika mono. So ndauga I can match kwe nombirete amwe. So ndambiririe kuandika kitambo. Kwanza ndambiririe na kuthoma.
Yes.
Nije nandi maisha ja ukuririte town. Ndi twi high school twauma nja. Utina angi ugu tweta kuriunga. So tweta aja library.
Yes.
So ende ugeta uga interact na mauku na ndinda interact na mauku mono. Ndage interest. So nyande high school ndaandika gwanga tu poem ngatubi. And then mwalimu oreo to trainer ki drama. Identify uandiki bubu wako. So ore thitha ya mpamba iria ya narrative. Aga kinya nusu. Kambira na ndi narrative eu ugwe mithome welewe imbi ukari kiongo giakwa. Na uendereithie u complete na igwo kamiuga. So from there and the creative mind yambia na ndi kwa nurtured. From there ndikuma high school ndeta campus ndamba gukira kidogo. Ndachoka na ndinda ndachokera na ndi
kiwandikine. Yeah. Wow. How did you know at some point no tuike mwandiki kana wina talent kana passion ya kuandika?
Ntamenyere. Indi ndaandikire tu na uje mbuga the passion na no monka wina zeal kana kwenda kuthithia mantu.
Yes.
So ndakarire ndinda uga no monka mpandike na I have a voice. Na voice ye no monka igekanwe in my generation. So ikipawa giko ki umurungu ampete kile mpomba gutumira.
Okay.
So ndauga the first one is writing. Aenda uga no monka mpambire kuandika. So ndaandikire yukuri ambere Called by Time. Riu nandi mantu nyajo mimono. Ya endi yote 9-10 Murungu no mwega na tuambiri au. Na the progress is good. Yeah.
You could have Called by Time. Witrenyo yari your first book robere kwithira ukiandika. The writing process. Kaiko kaitaka ku kambere. Apart from kwithira nutu gwita library kuthoma kuendana na mauku na kwithira ukithoma tugono twingine mauku ya maingi jantu nao kaita ko kinyochira kinya uni I know drone le njira mbete kwithira nkiwata kuma kimba uku yanthomete at least kinya no karante na kandika yukuri yakwa. Writing process as a beginner utaandika yukuri ingi in your life labda utethira ukinteract na ndiki ba mauku bakwira kwita una wamba iria ukathiriria writing process yukuri akure mbere ya kariate.
Nkurikana yukuri uri mbere ndari andikire na 4 months. 4 months. We between 4 na 5. Ntundambire kuandika August mwisho. By December ndari ndikuthiria. Ndari ndikuandika anything else. Yuku kintu concrete.
Yes.
Na ndajukirie tu karamu ndambia kuandika. Uje ndari na kauga atia kwenda muno kumenya curiosity.
Yes.
What is time? Na ndathoma mantu ja maingi muno ja jegie time, jegie tha, jegie ntu baraba inventere anga the Sumerian kingdom. So indari na that desire to know. So knowledge karanda ndiko gain from different sources.
Yes.
Na ndambia kuka consolidate. Plus then during that time indari school.
Yes.
Kuna certain period ndambire kuma ndeta dia ndamba kukaranja. So ndari na ample time. Na time digugine ndaindinja tu. So nda interact na ndinda merge Biblia na yuku na kuandika. So nda guided na inspired. Yeah, na ndinda ambiria kuandika tu ndandikire ndagura tuku toto nini twa tuku twa kasuku kaandika gakathira kagura kangi kaandika gakathira ou na ndinga to pile up
inspiration yaku ya kwandika yukure called by time no tunende uturo bo mwandiki inkumenya kwethira kuri na mantu ya maingi muno no trima uketwo kethira situation wa mailio kona this situation kamyandike ithomawe no while live experience ye mtu ukona experience ile ndio miandika nkami translate na form of ayuku ithomawe kana kinyake your life experience called by time mwanka inkona kinya no define it what is time na by the way time nimbi no tunende tuichi time I remember school itu athoma topic yeta wa time masabu na mwalimu eregira chine andika reguru what is the time au anakwenda kuchwa mtu murito muthomera ndokiria njara uni antu anthoma time ndathomere time na ndauriro bwe dena uchamba wa antu anthoma what is the time ndoriro what is the time na mwalimu anchambura ngo boya lakini nende kinya kethira itua time tutaya kwina kuelewa kwa what is time na ndo ndo twandikirite yukura called by time no to define that time utueleza what is time no to need to our time wasted is never recovered
perspective mwanya chia time indi muninka uga my own perspective
yes
mbuga time jorea definition ye yukune time is the progression of chance progression of chance kuga at least when an opportunity to do something na nuje time te iji totara ngai daidatu dainya ari nuje time thayu chitherwa tugai construct kana igintu kithithe twi mwanadamu kenda umba kwithirwe conscious of time na ndi thayu gutara kana utari bubwa time ibu twithara tuthithite kenda tumba kwithirwa tuije matha kimenya ida ingana tekati utari bu na ndi butha ari utari bu ibu tubutuma tumenya mathaja idari kuthira but time yongwa is the progression of chance kwithirwa wina kanya ga kuthiria gintu withdraw whether it's today tomorrow at least wina kanya ga kuthiria something na gati kuthira so you know time
what is time 9:31 kuregi yukuria called by time iro ari yukuria kura mbere na utari na experience ya kwandika yukuringi ni ate obwithirike and at least nyanto baminyanture ne murume na nture ne tu ina mwandiki o mauku na andikite yuku at least nyokinyiria antu bari thoma
ndikuthiria kwandika yukuriu
yes
ndawugire nkarithiria launching na ndi ndari launchere nuje at least there is something when a family supportive
yes
you can do things and the family now ntekugati the nuclear family the society itself can be a family so my church is my family so na ndende taki pastor ndamwira yuku kwandika yuku tiriri ari thoma nyawe a connect na reo na something good so ndathire launching au kanisene so ndetana nde atori relatives kila mtu nandi and the turnout was good
yes
nguri kana ria gita ria siasa gitara siasa na nini uje nyana siasa iba kwenda kwenda so the turnout was very good during that time at least yukuri ongwa during that time reachire ya expenses chiario ndauga that's okay so ndaandikire nyato invitation cards Saturia toa umaketha na nanto bari gara kimbie no tu mantu ja tathithwa kaire ndurene ya ende mtu ne thairo na are ambiririe ya sure
Thank you. Tukurigana na yuku na book number 1 uku launch at least antu bakwambe kumenya we have a writer kwe na utha mahali fulani ukwendia baraba kwenda kura bakura na at least bagweta go through the book. Nora bubu nwarero ntugu labda boya kwa muthie yoku ochira nende okiana nkoro ya kwenda kuendelea. We yawandika book number 2. Na nyoge akwa ilia volume ya book 1 na book 2 anetiene anene.
Yeah.
Ni bibi atumira uri aku give up from book 1 weta book 2 weta book 3 ene ngoti labda kinyawe nuko banga weta book 4 book 5 ni bibi atumire uri aku give up.
Kwina gintu kimwe mbeteketie consistency na discipline. Uka expect ati na ndio thithia kithrawe muini wina rwimbo rumo akina niu ari baraba the winners te baraba uchinda above all mbuga inspiration inya emurungu na Holy Spirit wengwa because kwena manto jamo inyani nwije oni nyeri ndemo enkaranga thoma makuje uje kati oni pandikite
wow
nkathoma nkamkagia knowledge yet oni pandikite
wow.
Because the power behind oni kuandika maukuti personal it is the inspiration of the Holy Spirit yeah na wow. Uje Holy Spirit there is nothing that is hard yeah
the spirit of institution dikurere yare riambi
yukureu leadership na specifically group leadership na ndi group leadership in the sense that perhaps when nyagi kundi fulani unaweza run aje hiyo ukaran kikundi ke wate wena tuge where anything anywhere kwena any group any kind of group yeah I would recommend that one bumba ko integrate atea kureta uju na ijuria uju na ijibu bungi na ndi bumba kureta mantu ja ujonde atabu jatumira towards one goal yeah
okay aniboka sana mbetekira tu kuthana ndeke yukure gwetwa quest hey the ukarama in me the hotigania ati
quest
in understanding child discipline inspiration ya kuandika yukure nimbi na ukirikana araka nyumene uturere criminologist kuyoto gwetere mantu ya kudeal na mantu yana mantu tayau inspiration ya yukure nimbi
quest in understanding child discipline ye video yuku educate the longest time 8 years na
8 years ukandika penji mo akarantirwa ri ruyo karokera na penji mo akombere juele mpaka 8 years ukiandika ambi
yeah quest in understanding child discipline yukureu
ni bibie yukune renende
yukureu rena mantu several jaraja jaumba kurugura minds chetu tumba ku understand first of all discipline and then discipline ge context ya ana uje with a discipline general na ndiko na discipline ke context ye nandi ana baba mind ta mature umba ko nachate na the inspiration is that it's part of my career inkurikana ndi campus ya 2 ilo tuetire tugutonya semester nandi twa introduce wa certain unit egwetwa juvenile delinquency ndaigwari tori ni ata ndenda kumenya mo juvenile delinquency nandi dila na reasons why ana by the way bichwa ngumu hard head omwira te kwenda kuigwa aka tendency which criminality so how neo the interest mono ya mbiririe so the book inspired by that unit mono kumba ku understand mbie thero behind mwana ore akireta kichwa ngumu na umba kuthithia atia ukurigiria mwana atigete that way kana either in that way umba kutumira means iriko kumuchokia in a place where akethro disciplined.
Target audience wa mauku yaku, who do you target?
Target audience mpumba kuga for called by time it's for everyone.
Yes.
Nonto madhaija kila mtu ku manage kumenya kwa conscious it's for everyone. The spirit of institution is for leaders. Where we in a group it doesn't matter a group kind iriko.
Yes.
That one will be very helpful. The spirit question understanding child discipline that is majorly for antobaraba ko deal na ana no withdraw we muchiari no withdraw we mwalimu no withdraw we guardian kana anyone who deals with children. Yeah.
Okay, now nuri kiri kwandika mauku Mureithi na tukiambirira kauma no uturano endete gwita library muno agwita kuthoma mauku yeremba kuthira ya ikinara na ne akwere some inspos acha kumba kuthira ukiandika mauku yaku mauku yaku ukira uthwani labda kuyachokia na library yaita ya kuthoma na antu bangi bagwata inspiration kana bagwata umenyo kulukira mauku yaku kana tunende no andikire ugwe kira kyarinde ne kuno alitero renda tuukira.
Okay, ntaze kia library bado but ingera ya my level best to make sure that inko janenkanira ka to people kenda bomba kwithro bake interact na content and what I have to say in the book. Lakini baukuja bado je na kuna another purpose behind them. Na the purpose is that oninde boy child imbonete so much of the problems to kurukaira batutui boy child. And so ndauga I will use my craft yekwa to make sure that inkumba could get something in order to empower boy child.
Okay.
Yeah, so actually mpambiriti a certain organization a boy child alone lakini nka launch officially in January next year. So bado nyanke try kuendia maukuje ukana kuje ikiaome there is still I have dedicated them to that purpose.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you still planning kwa deka mauku yake kana nende nukinjite mwicho?
Akiri
mauku kuthira.
Mudiari. Kwina okay nyate go plan mauku je pandikite but go publish niona ndi issue publish no jene and resources na mbecha so ndona kuona something ngaitaringi.
Thank you. Tutokero utero library. Do you think a library kana achiari wikiana bo library ni kintu kya bata in this generation na in this technology chichetie we have phones tu ina laptops tu ina kila kitu betrima kinyaka na kanini miaka mugwanja ina thimu ari upload everything kira kwenda. Do you think kwena importance in this generation ya ana wiko library?
Na ndi nyamiaka mugwanja gwita miaka mugwanja mtu munene
yake
kwena mwana nyota akinya 2 years lakini no kujukia thimu na akamitumira more than ugomba kumitumira. So library, the importance of library tutiomba kumidefine nonto it's so much.
Sure.
Okay, ja kutegera in the current days achiari vajukaya ukaona mocheri na gurite tablet ni mwana so inyeta meeting kana guntu gwetanya na mwana akamunengera tablet no kona mwana ore no akire for 1 hour 2 hours 3 hours tablet ni na with kajukia mathuganyo jayo so the muchiari no akage piece athithia kwenda kuthithia but at the end of the day kakuthukia mwana ore kwivyo bietawa kwina a certain type of autism ke ana contributawa i kwithirwa mwana screenine muno so aka develop antisocial behavior aka develop akili we ikaethirwa ina kwina nini twita dopamine yani hormone fulani twita dopamine so akili we tumba kwithirwa gi sustain process ye ku deliver results because nandi wije dimo manto fast so akili ile ikakure kienda fast things ikenonto nyanto ko iga wanto bagitwita Gen Z bagatwita microwave generation because torienda wambi biashara na ruzo we millionaire but that is not the process nande library is very important because mwije kuthoma yuku thimone kana in any other gadget iteumba kwa compared na kuthoma gintu gwete na njara kwena umurungu a designire akili ya mtu na how you uga coordinate from your hands so ngakara go explain jaulu chakebirana but it's important inya ugwewe ngwano manya ikenonto nya skuru weta skuru but kwithwa we na karamu na yuku the moment you write down igetonya akili ne ku more than ukitumaira medho wake because gadget you only use the eyes but riria ukutumira yuku no ukenya karamu ka underline ukethra nuku engage nkedireria mbuge inyage curriculum ana ya Sunday school for the beginners panenkairo something known as a coloring book coloring book it's to make sure that the child naku engage njarewe what is in the mind ni kuwa translated into the hand so eunio elementary level so kedra na ukwenuko tena library make sure at least nuko gwera mwana mauku jeke nyomba at least akaja thoma
thank you ki kwandika yukure mwe no rete how long
that one now depends na the purpose yuku time kuinyera kebra we busy na mantu jange not to code by time I used 5 months the spirit of institution I also used 5 to 6 months because now during those time you ndandika jo jairi ndarena so much engaged na so much but now really arengi ndambiririe tene na nandikwerie ndereja ngipaila up ngetanka dibia research ngona ai ajari keja ngaitanga chokia ka make sure that so that by the time go release I am releasing which you kurere kwe mtokari na actually after ndiko launch there are some people whatever interacted and I don't know vambira actually there are some things they are learning from the book and mantojera ibakuja apply ke their daily lives so I'm thinking they should the work bije at what I am trying to do ika impact life ya mtongi because kwe muchari ukathoma yukureria ete atumire devices yuchi ko make sure na gukuria mwana we so kethra mwana ore ate kurabwega na atumirite what I have provided the case is on me
thank you very much adano kinyake kethra ko ithitaria withirite wikulukira kire wandiki boku bo mauku kana challenges ithitari challenges ira withirite wikulukira kana hii safari ni smooth akiwa na content ni unaandika unasonga nayo
ayo ti safari dairo is smooth safari ni ngumu lakini tunangangana challenge mono wandiki neti in the current society ya tuikio na mono nya our generation tutiendete kuthoma so nije utiumba gwita kwendia kwendia nguruwe Saudi Arabia.
Sawa.
Utoka agura nonto nara bateri jambi nguruwe. Nandi ukaona consumers ba knowledge in our society, in our generation, very few. But then ukipata wona bale hapa kwenda, they are good and they are reliable. But the consumers, they are very few. Na rire wina few consumers nwijenya progress growth, it's also hard. Kwithro ukiona returns iwe wendia gintu nukuona returns.
Yes.
Because tutethire twina the culture of reading. So that is one thing. Batutwe na nditumba guchita wanzilishi in the society, in the current society. We are trying our level best to make sure at least it to raise a generation of knowledge consumers. Because jana tukinyete na ndi Kenya is a place where tubati kwithirwa tukuma ke basic things. Na ndi tugaiteke higher things. Which basic things ija into way.
Yes.
So tukaitaki higher things na as a society, as a nation, kero nandi tukumba kuwa tu innovators. No, tumba kuwa we innovator if you're not a reader. So mbuga actually the reason inya kuena a high level of unemployment is because gutena innovators. No, to population ne kuendelea igekura. But then population area ori gukura ina needs. Na in order for us to cater for the needs of the growing population, no monka to innovate man. Na tutumba ku innovate kedra tutiku consume knowledge.
Thank you. Niweka sana Mureithi Nji Murani. Narako tu Murani. Tema ndo Murani. Anyway, niweka sana tuwakutikire kwa yakiri studio chetu, lakini ndengenda wale kamera wariria muchiari. Muchiari na mwana na kinyako ina mwana ari arome akwa ileti in one way or the other. Na itiri maami andika sana na akiri we amwira ntuku imone nda kwithira ndimo andikio mauku kana ndenda kwithira ndimo andiki wa articles ciakwa. Alafu nende kwina muchiari nwe ara muchiari omwana ou ari ona mwana uyu aka no twachiari kwibetekite mwana ate mwarimu eute kintu kyabata mwana no mwankethira ndaitare, lakini ndirakagia na talent twa wandiki talent nyeto kwino kethira bateko support rutere ru arire mucheru na arire mwana u aina so mena ati ko ciandikete, lakini atikumenya abati kwambiria na abati kubwithia atia, lakini at least likely thaito na nini kithomo kya CBC ni one way or the other ikiothethe, lakini bado inyako ino tutakia embrace kabisa. Nonto batu turenda tu ana betu batwika arimu, turenda batwika ndaitare, turenda batwika tutikwenda batwika antu baeti mwandikio mauku eti muini hapana.
Vambere aria turitha hii Kenya tiari twari 50 kana 40 years ago.
Yes.
Nije ndeguru kuona independence the need kana obatu burebo ari obo ndeguru into basic. No tunandi tutari na literacy antu batathomi antu bata kuna ndi into bya biendeka bya gwakandi into basic into jamwarimu daktari we those traditional courses nonto mwarimu nendeka nonto antu baba ingi batathomi. So ituenda as a nation kwithwa tuina population illiterate. Daktari we interview basic but the moment to accomplish the basic things no kona in the current time more than 77% of the Kenyan population we are literate. So ukona nande into no monkabi ga shift.
Yes.
So nande the traditional courses it na that market so much known to the population and then kwenda something new. So it's very good to empower mwana kedra na kuandika kedra na anything else. mbuga nathithie course yeu but ikethro at the expense of the God given talent.
Yes.
Nya Bible yuga mtu uria we good in his craft will sit with kings, will dine with kings. The crafty te anga walimu nibimbi the craft is what you can do.
Yes.
Iria deposited kiugwe na imurungu. So inkurikana nyani ndari na challenge nikiambia kuandika code by time. Na ndi muchiari ari like otechwe nyagintu nyanguge umba kuthithia but na ndi ukatinda aja uwe kuandika imbio kuandika ethro te kuandika nukari na ugo kari ngi gukuthugania so muchiari nyawe menyati ati menyerete mantu jaja
Sure.
but tuka very patient nonto actually nyani mbuga nkiambiria kuandika itaiji how far I can go. But today in kuandika nya introductory for books for countries as far as nya Zimbabwe. So kona ntovaria they are consuming what I'm writing na iba kuona the sense.
Yes.
So they want me to introduce their book. So nandiba kuona what I'm doing can introduce their book ndio ipate relevance. Na ndi ikuambiria tu just the other day. So you may never know yo kipawa kiumwa no kiumba kumuikia na yeah, so empower that thing.
Thank you. Maukuja ku mtu akiendo yona ina akayona kinya wage akwenda kwariria kulukira njiririku.
Maukuja kwa no nimbithero najo ntaija ikeke either bookshop kana anywhere.
Yes.
So I am the only one wewe ndai huku unanitafuta. But I'm still working on how mpomba kuja perhaps in a bookshop somewhere kenda mtomba enda kugura kagura, but that now will be more expensive on the bookshop ire nyaye kenda something.
Okay.
So prefer we wenda yuku mchoa kenda to reduce cost.
Okay.
But yeah, nande kumbona it's in my mobile number umbithero na namba mwake. Yeah.
Ninenkanele kethira ni possible no twere tunafaa tupige masaa gani?
Namba kwa 0796 53 1451. 0796 53 1451. Dito Murithi.
Thank you. Mbega sana Murithi na tubagutikire kuya studio chetu tharimo sana na tugakwita ringi na all the best.
Thank you.
Na we can't wait kuya nende uyete ku launch a new book.
Yes.
Nonto jameni unindi inkuria indianelete na mtu akwenda kuandika mauku na mantu jara kuona akibuithie te mantu janthi lakini sasa neema iwatoshe na ibwega muno anothe bochumire kenda kuthomethia ndukimbithi na kinya kuonia ndukimbithi you can do it, we can do it. Menya tuthana chene ni barabandika mu kwima professor wale watu wakubwa lakini at least no twikira inya na thank you very much. Mutegeri wa Meru TV to kuchokera ngatho kinya we anothe botugiatira kimitano yetu ya ukinyaniria Facebook na kinya YouTube Meru TV Kenya na utugiatira ki Signet na kinya Pang Meru TV to akura asante sana no tukinyabo kuona kanya akaututhiatira kuma twambirie endeto cia Meru TV rukiri mwanke tharathai ikilokete ndeka 53 na mwanja nyuma thaitha cherukiri akumba kwithira chiro amato aguchukira nkatho cia mwanya muno uni wambita muthoni wa kiramana rigana chekinya ithano Lilian Mwangangi akumba kwithira ria ukire mubango you are the wave ithira bina kaita kakeya.